Today, we're going to take this stoic and boring dude and turn him into a talkative, animated life of the party. If you're looking to create a talking avatar like our new friend here, then you're in the right place. I'll show you how I made him step by step using free AI tools. And this is great for beginners who don't want anything too complicated, just want to dip their toes into AI. So let's get started. The process involves first creating our avatar in Canva, then creating a voiceover in ElevenLabs, and then finally animating the avatar in DID. I'll link all of the tools I used in the description box below. You'll want to make sure to check those out later. But for now, let's start by first going to Canva's AI text-to-image generator. From the homepage, you'll want to click Apps, then Text-to-Image Generator. I made my avatar for a YouTube video, so I chose a YouTube thumbnail, but pick whatever format suits you best. Next, we'll simply type in the description of the avatar we're wanting to create. Since my video is going to consist of motivational Stoic quotes, I asked the AI to generate a Stoic philosopher character. I also chose the style of dreamy, but again, suit it to your preference. It may take a bit to generate the image that matches your vision, but play around with different descriptions and styles until you get the one you like. When you finally get it, you'll want to download it to your computer. I ended up choosing this dude. The next step I'll show is optional, but I was set on wanting the avatar to look like he was talking among the night sky. So if you're fine with the AI-generated background, you can skip this step and go ahead to this timestamp. If not, we'll go to this free site to remove the background. Again, it's linked below. So we'll simply upload our image, then remove the background and re-download it. I then uploaded it back to Canva and made some quick readjustments and added the sky background I desired. I then just downloaded the final image for our final step. However, next, we'll have to generate our voiceover, and so we'll go to ElevenLabs to do that. You can generate a voiceover in the final tool DID we'll be using, but you're much more limited with the free trial version on the number of words you can animate, hence ElevenLabs. So all we need to do in ElevenLabs is go to Speech Synthesis. Paste a copy of your script in the box here. If you need help writing your script, there's always ChatGPT for help. That's how I got these Stoic quotes for my video. From here, you can preview the different voices. I ended up picking Josh as my voiceover artist. Then once you decide on the voice for you, just click Generate and then download it to your computer. All right, finally to the fun part. Now we'll go to DID. Just a side note, there is a DID app in Canva already. However, you're limited by the avatars you can use, so back to just the regular DID site. There's a free trial once you set up an account, and you'll get 20 credits. So first, click on Generate Video, and then upload the voiceover you created in ElevenLabs. Next, we'll upload the image of the avatar we created in Canva, and then just click Generate Video. It'll probably take a few minutes, so while we wait for it to download, I just want to say, I hope this helped you out. Please consider liking or subscribing if you found this useful at all. And now we can take a look at our finished product.
The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. You have power over your mind, not outside events.
Simply download it and you're ready to share. Let me know in the comments how yours turns out. Thanks a bunch and hope to see you in the next one.